NPS Swasth Pension Scheme. The Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority recently rolled out the NPS Swasth Pension Scheme on a pilot basis. About NPS Swasth Pension Scheme. It is a new initiative launched by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority as a proof of concept under its regulatory sandbox framework. The initiative aims to integrate health-related financial benefits with the existing national pension system framework. The scheme, launched for a limited and controlled period, is designed to provide financial support for outpatient and inpatient medical expenses. The scheme will function as a sector-specific contributory pension scheme within the multiple scheme framework of NPS and will be offered to Indian citizens on a voluntary basis. It will be launched by Pension Fund after obtaining prior approval from PFRDA. As it is being implemented as a pilot project, only a restricted number of subscribers will be enrolled during the POC phase. To facilitate the pilot, certain provisions of the PFRDA exist and withdrawal under NPS Regulation 2015 have been relaxed. Pension funds may also collaborate with fintech firms and health service administrators to implement the scheme. NPS Swasth Pension Scheme features. Any Indian citizen is eligible to join the scheme, but a common scheme account under NPS is mandatory. Subscribers can contribute any amount in line with existing NPS guidelines applicable to the non-government sector. Subscriber age above 40 years, excluding government sector subscribers, may transfer up to 30% of their contributions from the common scheme account to the Swasth Pension Scheme. Partial withdrawals are permitted for medical expenses up to 25% of the subscriber's own contribution, with no limit on the number of withdrawals, subject to a minimum accumulated corpus of ₹50,000. In cases of critical inpatient treatment where medical expenses exceed 70% of available corpus, subscriber may opt for 100% premature withdrawal solely to meet such medical cost, claim settlement and safeguards. Amounts withdrawn under the scheme will be paid directly to the health benefit administrator, third-party administrator or hospital based on valid claims and supporting bills. Any surplus remaining after settlement of medical expenses will be transferred back to the subscriber's common scheme account.